This tutorial is going to show you how to do the satin stitch. The satin stitch can be used to fill in a design and it looks really smooth. So the way you do the satin stitch is you just start at one end of your design. So out here I've got this square, so I'm just going to start at the corner and you just pull your needle all the way through. Then you go to the other side of your design, so I'll go to the other side of my square and I'll just pull the needle all the way through. Then you're just going to go back down to the bottom, right next to the stitch you had created, and pull another stitch through and stitch to the other end of your design. And you're just going to keep going with this pattern until you've completely filled your design. You'll notice when you're done that the design on the front, the satin stitch on the front, will look the same as what's going on in the back.